Theme. First up, the Solace theme. Solace is the newest WordPress theme to hit the market and offers more than 115 free template kits for you to get started with. The Solace theme offers the most free kits in the WordPress theme industry. Now, when you first install Solace, you need to install the Solace Companion plugin. This gives you access to a variety of features and template kits, and this is standard for most WordPress themes in the industry. The Solace theme comes with a variety of templates that you can easily import on your website, and unlike other themes, these kits look amazing. They have a huge variety of different categories like business, e-commerce, marketing, and education. The Solace WordPress theme is fully compatible with WooCommerce and the mainstream plugins. Once you select a kit you want to import, it'll then prompt you to adjust the color palettes and also change the font style. Once you select on the style, you then click on continue, and then it'll import the demo website automatically. The import process with Solace is quite quick and works with all major web hosts. What separates the Solace theme versus other WordPress themes is the amount of pages for each template kit. These are not your typical cookie cutter 5-page templates. Each template kit with Solace comes with about 8 to 10 pages that are highly designed that can streamline the web design process. Next, let's talk about the theme customizer. The Solace theme customizer comes with everything you need: a header and footer builder, a scroll to top, page layout settings where you can adjust the size of your website. What's unique about the Solace header and footer builder is they come with preset options. This allows you to easily select a preset style for your header and footer of your website, and this will amplify the process of making a header and footer quickly from scratch. You can also custom build your header using the Solace elements by dragging and dropping them onto your header builder. The Solace theme also offers their own custom theme builder called the Site Builder. In the free version of Solace, you can customize the header and footer using the Solace theme builder completely for free. You can also set all the conditions of your header and footer with no restrictions in the free version. Solace also offers their own exclusive elements called the Solace Extra. This allows you to add elements to your header and footer of your website while you're customizing it. In the Pro version, Solace also offers their own native elements for each custom post type, allowing you to build every part of your website entirely with the Solace theme. The Pro version of Solace is currently in beta and is set to launch sometime in March 2026. I would give the Solace theme a solid 9 out of 10. For a free theme, it's one of your best options. Next up, the